What's up guys, welcome back to No Cap Invest. Let's get straight to it. Our top stories today. Coinbase has partnered up with Blackrock to enable its clients to trade Bitcoin. Shares were up as much as 45% one day, and they're up as much as 105% month over month. Blackrock has an end-to-end investment management platform called Aladdin, and it's clients of this platform who will be given direct access to trading crypto through Coinbase Prime. They will also be provided with custody, prime brokerage, and reporting capabilities. Coinbase is still off over 75% from its peak in November, where it was trading at almost $360 a share. I think this is really crazy because Coinbase is one of those stocks that everyone has been talking about, especially on Bloomberg and on Reddit, and probably the most talked about crypto stock because it's probably the most famous crypto company out there, especially in America. However, worldwide, on the world stage, Coinbase is not the exchange, it's not the industry-leading exchange in terms of innovation. Binance and KuCoin and FTX, and there's other decentralized exchanges out there that are definitely leading the wave on things, but Coinbase still has that first mover market positioning in the United States, being the largest regulated exchange. So Coinbase has officially become a small part of my portfolio just because I think it has that great first mover advantage. However, I definitely don't get that excited by Coinbase. I think they're relatively boring compared to most of the crypto companies out there. If you guys want to see some other publicly traded crypto stocks that I like more than Coinbase, check out my video with 5 crypto stocks 2022. Maxar Technologies was up as much as 12.7% Thursday, as it was one of the companies to be awarded the largest commercial imagery contract from the NRO, which is the National Reconnaissance Office. Maxar also won contracts with the NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. It's a phase study contract to develop spacecraft that will be used in the next generation of weather monitoring satellites. The so-called GeoXO program will provide vital information to address major environmental challenges facing the United States. Maxar Technologies has been a long-term hold in my portfolio. I found out about it because it was going to be added to the ARK Space ETF. So ARK Investment by Kathy Woods is a fund manager out there that provides different ETFs that done really well back in the day of limitless money before COVID, the pre-COVID economy. They've taken huge hits recently, and either way, that's how I found out about Maxar. I've talked about Maxar Technologies before in my recession-proof stocks video because this company has a lot of contracts with the US government, not just with the agencies I just mentioned, but with the Department of Defense especially. They're providing also lots of the satellite images that you see on the news from Ukraine. If you look on the little corner in the right, if you look in the corner, it'll say Maxar Technologies. So Maxar Technologies has been doing really well. It's more of a defensive play. Chairman and CEO Alfred Kelly Jr. said that they will suspend TrafficJunky, which is the advertising arm of Pornhub's parent company, MindGeek. Because of a court decision, they said that Visa cards won't work on any MindGeek affiliated sites. Back in 2020, MasterCard also permanently ended the use of its cards on Pornhub. I think this is interesting. So Visa apparently did this because of some ongoing court decisions. I was trying to look into it, but it looks really complicated. It just shows that at any point, a payment processing network can just decide, sorry, we're not going to do business with you. Like Visa can just be like, sorry, no more Visa. Or MasterCard, like, sorry, now Visa, we've now just suspended, like you can just not use our network. So anyone with a MasterCard, anyone with a Visa cannot use your network or whatever. Of course, I understand why MasterCard and Visa did all that. It's interesting to know that I was going through my some analysis today, and I was looking at net operating income, and Visa is one of the highest net operating incomes out of any of the companies in my portfolio, and I just have a tiny bit of Visa in one of my portfolios. And even though I don't really like payment processing networks because I'm a huge crypto guy, it's still pretty impressive what they can do with those operating margins. Anyways, Plug Power has agreed to build a 120 megawatt green hydrogen plant near Beaumont, Texas. The facility will be scalable to 500 megawatts, becoming one of the world's largest, if not the largest, green hydrogen plants. The facility is expected to produce more than 50 tons of green hydrogen a day, leveraging Plug's industry-leading proton exchange membrane electrolysis technology. So Plug Power has been a long-term hold in my portfolios. I read through one of their stockholder annual reports once, and I was just reading about their master plan of, because back then they were mostly working on solar technologies and different types of electrical technologies, but they've also since then expanded very much into the green hydrogen, and that's what they were talking about a lot in their stockholder briefings in the past, was how they really wanted to get into this green hydrogen technology. We got more news videos coming out and some interview videos coming out. Sorry about the delay, it's been about 2 or 3 weeks. I was getting back from Germany, now I'm back and gonna be trying to upload more, so be sure to subscribe, hit that bell, and follow me on TikTok, and see you guys next time.